Almonds with the skin are generally better for your health compared to peeled almonds. Here's why. 1. Higher antioxidants. The skin of almonds contains a higher concentration of antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body and can protect against aging and various diseases. 2. More fiber. Almond skin adds extra fiber to your diet, which supports better digestion and helps with blood sugar regulation by slowing down sugar absorption. This also aids in managing hunger by keeping you fuller for longer. 3. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Some research suggests that the combination of almond skin and the nut's nutrients like vitamin E works synergistically, maximizing their health benefits. While peeled almonds still offer good fats, protein, and nutrients, almonds with skin deliver added benefits. If digestibility is a concern, since some people find the skin harder to digest, soaking almonds overnight can make them easier on the stomach while preserving much of the nutritional value.